Okay, so Anne-Marie asks, how does the insurance typically differ between a body corporate and an HOA with regard to geysers? Okay, so the short answer is there is no difference, actually. The only difference is that the HOA really have geysers, because in the HOA environment, you're only doing the common property. So the difference is an HOA may have a geyser, it may have nil geysers, because the common property might have, for example, restrooms for their staff on the common property. They might have a squash court where you might want some hot water for the shower. It might have its own geyser. So the HOA would have a few geysers normally, and the body corporate would usually have one or even two geysers per unit, plus some on the common property. Okay, so that's the only real difference.